HowExpert Guide to Drawing Caricatures, a 60-day step-by-step system with 250-plus visual examples to learn how to draw caricatures, create cartoon-style portraits, and launch a caricature side hustle. HowExpert Guide to Drawing Caricatures is your complete hands-on roadmap to mastering caricature art through a structured 60-day Caricature system and over 250-plus visual examples, illustrations, and drawings. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to sharpen your style and get paid to draw, this step-by-step guide shows you how to exaggerate features, capture likenesses, and create bold, memorable caricatures and cartoon-style portraits with confidence. Built as a 60-day, day-by-day training system, this guide gives you a clear path to sharpen your skills daily. Through essential techniques, creative exercises, and real-world practice, you'll fast-track your artistic growth. In 10 chapters, you'll master everything from core drawing foundations to digital tools to launching a caricature side hustle. With daily projects and mini exercises, you'll turn blank pages into lively caricatures and shape your own unique style with every sketch. Inside the book, Introduction, discover what makes caricature unique, gather your tools, and set your mindset for creative growth. Chapter 1, C, Core Foundations of Caricature, Days 1 to 5, master exaggeration, likeness, and distortion to create bold, character-driven sketches. Chapter 2, A, Anatomy of the Face, Days 6 to 15, draw expressive features like eyes, noses, mouths, and accessories with style. Chapter 3, R, Rhythm, Style, and Expression, Days 16 to 23. Add movement, emotion, and originality while drawing inspiration from global caricature styles. Chapter 4, I, Illustrating the Full Figure, Days 24 to 29. Capture bodies, gestures, clothing, and props with dynamic humor.
Chapter 5, C, Capturing Real People, Days 30-36. Apply your skills to friends, celebrities, and yourself using photos, memory, or live observation. Chapter 6, A, Art in the Digital Age, Days 37 to 41. Use digital tools for layering, coloring, exporting, and even live event drawing. Chapter 7, T, Turning Art into a Side Hustle, Days 42-47. Take commissions, market your work, and build a professional portfolio and client base. Chapter 8, U, Ultimate Project Showcase, Days 48 to 52. Challenge yourself with creative projects that highlight your skills. Chapter 9, R, Refining Your Craft, Days 53-56. Strengthen your artistic judgment through self-critique and redrawing. Chapter 10, E, Evolving as an Artist, Days 57-60. Build long-term habits, connect with the art community, and set creative goals. Conclusion. Reflect on your 60-day journey and step forward as a confident caricature and cartoon-style portrait artist. Appendices. Includes printable templates, cheat sheets, a caricature glossary, global style references, and creative prompts. HowExpert Guide to Drawing Caricatures is more than just a drawing book. It's a complete creative system packed with 250-plus visual examples, illustrations, and drawings, step-by-step lessons, and a structured 60-day Caricature system that helps you master technical skills, develop your artistic style, and bring faces to life with humor, expression, and exaggeration. Whether you're drawing for fun, personal growth, or professional goals, this guide gives you the tools, structure, and inspiration to succeed. With real-world projects, daily exercises, and creative support at every step, you'll be ready to draw, grow, and thrive, and turn everyday faces into memorable works of caricature art that spark smiles, creativity, and lasting memories. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.